Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie's fashion fairy tale outfit and dress to impress. So you do need VIP for this, but you can just adjust between the skirts if you don't have VIP. I'm just going to remove everything except for the one I did accessory adjustments on as per usual. For the hair, I used the short hair and the short toggle. I didn't do any adjustments on that. And then I did this hair in FFBD-A2 and EEBF9C. Positioned it to Y.59, Z.59, rotated the X-axis 2.6 and the scale 2.37. For the belt, I used this belt from VIP and colored it this color. Sorry. Maybe you could go a little lighter. I'll just do this color. First toggle, positioned the X at 0.5, Y 0.76, Z 0.45, rotated it to X 0.6 and scaled it all the way to 0.33. For the outfit itself, we're going to grab this one in the third toggle in this color, FF72B1. Then for the skirt layering, we're going to go here to the VIP section and we're going to grab the skirt in the third toggle, color it this color FF5770 in glitter. Then I used this skirt in this light color in glitter. Wait, actually I used this, sorry, FF72B1, and then I did use a Roblox item for this, wrong one. I used the default toggle in, why can I not color it? Hello? Okay, there we go. Oh, then the only train toggle, color it this color in glitter. And then in this color as well. Then for the hand accessories, I just used a bunch of these in like gray and white. Like that, and like this watch in like a white and gray toggle too. Wait, I think the armband was white, and then there we go. And I also used this in, let's do white. For the earrings, I just used these ones in this gray color. And then for the shoes, let me just get this. I use this in all white. And that is it. Let me know if I missed anything. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.